I won't warn you. If you never reach 18 years, you no fit listen to this podcast.
Na popular yarn for ABAKO. Say na when something happen to mad person, na you go know say na people get am. Police quickly start to dey shook eye for inside the matter. Everybody wan know who be the person wey dey cause all this katakata for inside ABAKO. Even popular boys wey dey area don dey low-key finish because of all the court boys fight wey happen the last time. Mama Monday sef don enter police wahala o. They con dey question am about this SHABA matter. She con dey claim say SHABA pursue am when she try to go see her, but her death too quick. E no gree let anybody understand o. People wey dey close to her con begin dey doubt am. Oga vulcanizer con even dey yarn say e no fit trust that Mama Monday o. E con dey tell person wey con gauge tire say her eyes e no good for head. Say woman wey no fit stay husband house, say na dey fit dey do and undo. The customer begin dey laugh. Say make the vulcanizer leave am o, na tire im con pump. Say murder case no be wetin person go dey open im mouth dey vomit rubbish wey dey inside head. Na so the man just pay vulcanizer waka leave am comot. Vulcanizer put hand for waist dey look am. This no be the first time wey fire don scatter ABAKO market. The funny thing be say na almost the same time of the day e dey happen. Na when people don sleep for house. The goods wey burn e pass millions of naira. If e no touch you for hand, e go touch you for leg. The thing affect everybody. Even Mr. Jude tabi shop burn too. All the cloth wey he dey sell all catch fire. But the person wey e really affect pass na Mr. Thompson. That one no con know where e go start from. Only goods wey him bring come that night, e reach how many million? Talk less of the ones wey don fit dey inside warehouse. If no be say that man strong, my brother, e for don die for heart attack. For midnight, na so people come dey run, dey come outside. Market full well. Some people just dey corner, dey cry, dey scream. The fire dey burn, The kind fire no be wetin fire brigade abi na water brigade go fit quench. People just dey there, dey cry till morning reach. The funny thing na say even shops where the fire no reach, na so some boys come enter, loot everything wey dey inside in the name of say dem wan help. That night when it happen, Mama Tasty's son Michael be no quick return for where him go. Normally, he no too dey stay late o, but nobody can know wetin happen that day. As he return, na better quarrel na him papa Mr. Jude give am. Na as he dey quarrel, na him dey call am say market don dey burn. He quickly wear clothes, enter road, dey run go there. Na there na all of them dey o till the next morning. E no too tey wey SHABA die when police come begin their investigation. Upon say Mama Monday dey with them, they still enter ABAKO community school go check where SHABA bin dey stay. The place rough wella, and then take their time to search the whole place. For the place, they see so many things. So some na normal maduma property, but e can't get some things wey be say the thing shock them when they see am. Then see food wey she chop remain, plus provision and her tear cloth. Wetin still dey there na mirror wey don break with one baby rubber. But the main thing wey really can't concern them na the man wristwatch wey they see with footsteps. They can't even see person flesh for ground. The thing can't resemble person here. E be like now when they follow SHABA dey drag, na she bite one of the people ear throw away. Now so them put all of them for nylon, carry and comot.
Thank you well say they listen to ABAKO. We hope say you dey enjoy the story. You fit listen to ABAKO for Spotify, Apple Podcast and YouTube. Na 808 Xtra na im produce am. Na Chuki One Pillar write am. Onakwale na im voice am. The soundtrack na Onye Beat and Fefe na im do am. The sound design, mixing and mastering na 808 Xtra do am. If you wan write for us or you wan work together, you fit contact us for 808extrang@gmail.com. Support for this channel dey come from the osusu wey you dey pay us. You fit send your own if na naira to paystack.com/pay/808extran, or if na dollars you wan send am to paystack.com/808extrad. All these details dey for the show notes.